Swiss Army and became increasingly popular everywhere from that moment on. The name of the company was created by combining the first name of the inventor's mother, Victoria, with the name of the stainless steel used for the blades, Victorinox. Victorinox knives were soon being sold all over the world. Inspired and prompted by the success of the Swiss pocket knife, Victorinox now produces quality products such as